Tired of oily skin? This video reveals the secrets to a balanced, healthy complexion. Get ready to glow. Your ultimate oily skincare routine. Step-by-step guide. Tired of blotting papers and constant shine? Oily skin can lead to breakouts, enlarged pores, and makeup meltdowns. But there's hope. This video will guide you through a simple, effective skincare routine specifically designed for oily skin, so you can finally say goodbye to grease and hello to a gorgeous, radiant glow. Understanding the oily skin beast. So, what exactly is oily skin? It means your skin's sebaceous glands, tiny oil factories in your pores, are working overtime producing more sebum, oil, than necessary. This can be due to a variety of factors, including genetics. Thanks, Mom and Dad. Your diet, stress, and hormonal fluctuations. The result? Enlarged pores that seem to scream blackhead party, a constant sheen that could rival a disco ball, acne breakouts that pop up at the worst possible moments, and makeup that melts faster than ice cream on a hot summer day. Sound familiar? Morning routine. Start your day shine-free. Let's kick off your journey to a balanced complexion with a powerful morning routine. Think of it as your daily defense against the oil slick. 1. Cleansing. Wash away the night. The first step is to cleanse away any oil and impurities that have accumulated overnight. For oily skin, gel or foam cleansers are your best friends. Look for products that contain ingredients like salicylic acid or glycolic acid. These are superstars when it comes to gently exfoliating and unclogging pores. How to cleanse like a pro. Wet your face with lukewarm water. Hot water can strip your skin of its natural oils and make things worse. Apply a small amount of cleanser to your fingertips and gently massage it into your skin in circular motions. Pay extra attention to your T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin, which tends to be the oiliest area. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat your face dry with a clean towel. 2. Toning, balance, and tighten. After cleansing, it's time to tone. Toner helps to balance your skin's pH levels, tighten pores, and remove any lingering traces of dirt or makeup. Choose an alcohol-free toner to avoid drying out your skin. Look for ingredients like witch hazel, which has natural astringent properties, or niacinamide, which can help to control oil production and minimize pores. How to tone effectively. Apply toner to a cotton pad and gently swipe it across your face, avoiding the eye area. You can also spritz toner directly onto your face if you prefer a more refreshing feel. 3. Serums, hydration heroes. Even oily skin needs hydration. The key is to choose serums that provide lightweight moisture without adding extra oil. Hyaluronic acid is a fantastic option because it attracts and holds moisture without feeling greasy. Vitamin C serum is another great choice, as it can help to brighten your complexion and reduce the appearance of dark spots or acne scars. How to apply serum. Apply a few drops of serum to your fingertips and gently pat it into your skin. Allow the serum to absorb fully before moving on to the next step. Evening routine. Prep your skin for beauty sleep. After a long day of battling shine, your evening routine is all about deep cleaning and giving your skin the TLC it deserves. 1. Double cleansing. Makeup meltdown. If you wear makeup, double cleansing is a must. The first cleanse removes makeup and surface impurities, while the second cleanse goes deeper to clean your pores. First, cleanse. Use an oil-based cleanser or micellar water to dissolve makeup and sunscreen. Gently massage it into your skin and rinse with lukewarm water. Second, cleanse. Follow up with your regular gel or foam cleanser to thoroughly clean your skin, as described in the morning routine. Benefits of oil cleansing for acne-prone skin may include gentle removal of excess sebum, makeup, and impurities without stripping the skin. Maintaining skin's natural moisture barrier. However, it's important to note, oil cleansing may not be a universal solution for acne. Some individuals may experience increased breakouts, especially during an initial adjustment period. If you have acne-prone skin, it's advisable to patch test and introduce oil cleansing gradually. Consider using non-comedogenic oils options that are less likely to clog pores, such as jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, sunflower oil, rosehip oil, argan oil, hemp seed oil. 2. Exfoliation, 1 to 2 times per week. Bye-bye. Dead skin. Exfoliation helps to remove dead skin cells that can clog pores and contribute to oiliness. Choose a gentle chemical exfoliant containing salicylic acid or glycolic acid. Avoid harsh scrubs, which can irritate your skin and trigger more oil production. How to exfoliate gently. Apply the exfoliant to your face after cleansing, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for the recommended time, usually 5 to 10 minutes, and rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. 3. Mask. Optional, 1 to 2 times per week. Targeted treatment. Masks can provide an extra boost of treatment for specific skin concerns. For oily skin, clay masks are a great option as they help to absorb excess oil and draw out impurities. How to mask like a pro. Apply a thin layer of the mask to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for the recommended time, usually 10-15 minutes, and rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. 4. Toning. Balance and prep. Just like in the morning, toning in the evening helps to balance your skin's pH and prep it for the next step. Use the same alcohol-free toner you used in the morning. 5. Serums and treatments. Nighttime repair. The evening is the perfect time to apply serums or treatments that target specific skin concerns. Retinoids are a powerful ingredient that can help to reduce oil production, unclog pores, and even out skin tone. However, they can be irritating, so start with a low concentration and use them only a few times a week. How to apply retinoids. Apply a pea-sized amount of retinoid to your face after toning, avoiding the eye area. Start by using it every other night and gradually increase the frequency as your skin adjusts. Always wear sunscreen during the day when using retinoids, as they can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. 6. Moisturizer. Hydration is key. Even oily skin needs moisturizer. Choose a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer that won't clog your pores. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid or ceramides. How to moisturize effectively. Apply a small amount of moisturizer to your face and neck after serums or treatments. Gently massage it into your skin until it's fully absorbed. Sunscreen. Your daily shield, sunscreen, is essential for everyone, regardless of skin type. It protects your skin from the harmful UV rays that can cause premature aging, dark spots, and even skin cancer. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher, and apply it every morning, even on cloudy days. Apply a generous amount of sunscreen to your face and neck 15 minutes before going outside. Reapply every 2 hours or immediately after swimming or sweating. The benefits of a Korean skincare routine for oily skin. If you're looking to take your oily skincare routine to the next level, consider incorporating some elements of a Korean skincare routine. Korean skincare is known for its gentle, multi-step approach that focuses on hydration and nourishment rather than harsh, stripping ingredients.